Ops Cold War 6.
Yeah,
How
dude,
did I
give me the
even
controller.
Get that up there,
Give me control.
dude. I'm already.
You're
on
distracted. You're not getting
It's
anywhere.
already on.
Oh, it's on. I don't see any 6-day.
Arnold Schwarzenegger is already on screen, along with Timothy Griffith.
It's Timothy.
Who's the other guy in it?
And what?
Today.
Nah, I'm not gonna try and guess who that is. I'm gonna say the name wrong and fucking guess wrong.
Dude, a new season of Hamilton.
Dude, come on. This is on Hulu, right?
Dude, yeah.
Okay.
A new season of Hamilton though is coming out in January. I'm just telling you. You fucking wimp.
You're fucking Samson.
You're the son of a simp. I'm looking up Jamie. Jamie's crying. What am I looking up?
Come on, 6-day. Jesus Christ. 6. Type in the number fucking 6. Dude, I'll fucking kill you right now. Or put on Jersey Shore.
I literally typed
No, don't type it out.
J.
It's 6, the number.
I typed in J.
I know, it's like J-O. Yeah, I can think about jerk
I'm like
offs.
Jackson Pollock.
6-TH. Yeah, there you go. 2000.
Oh, 20.
I swore that was 90s.
6. Oh, dude, what about that monkey movie? with
What, Planet of the Apes?
no. It's like the 6 monkeys or whatever.
Yeah. Was there actually monkeys in that movie?
No, I'm talking about with.
Was there actually 6 monkeys?
No, with that.
That's
with
a lot of
bald
monkeys
guy,
to have in
with,
one
with,
room.
with that bald guy in it. Die Hard.
Oh, Bruce Willis?
Bruce Willis, yeah.
Oh, I don't know. Actually, I've never seen it.
The 6th.
He's in so many
12
Sixth Sense,
monkeys. That's what I'm thinking.
Fifth Element.
12 monkeys.
12 monkeys.
It's divisible.
Divisible.
It's divisible by 6.
Is it?
And I'm going to put the captions on so that way we can,
Oh, yeah.
not be confused.
I know. I watched like half of it, but I put it on when I was ready to go to sleep, so I fell asleep.
As if you know something about Arnold Schwarzenegger. He was the mayor.
Was he? Of where? Of what
He was the
town?
governor.
Of California, huh?
You have the entire state.
Damn, I'd hate to live there, man. Thank God we live in Pennsylvania.
Yeah, thank God we're not in California. Dude.